On this video, we'll learn how to create a smoke effect video on text using Canva. First, open Canva and start a new design for the video. Set the background of this video and add the text, selecting the font according to your requirements. Then, add any text. Create its duplicate, go to Effects and add the hollow effect on the text. After that, search for the ink that will create a smoke effect. Add this video and remove its background. Then, go to Positions, select Layers, and adjust the ink between the hollow and simple text, adjusting the position of the ink. After these simple steps, your video is ready. Subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. Thank you.